You know what hurts? You know what really hurts? That small YouTubers like us, like me, don't get any views, and many of our families do have money, but mine don't, and many more don't have much. And we are trying the best to help our families on the best way to could and make fun of it. Do fun and our dream. Many of us thought we gonna get money. I didn't get any dollar, anything. I spent more than 1,000 of my little savings. It's really hard that you look at us like NPCs. I really love all my viewers, but I don't have much. That's okay, but if you can remix this other creators and anyone that wanna help us, remix this sound, like, sub, and go help more content creators. Goodbye, guys.